Hello and welcome to a cool smartphone unboxing. Today we're going to have a look at the Anker PowerCore PD 26800. So it's actually the PowerCore Plus, sorry. Now what makes this different from something like my previous Anker PowerCore is on the end we have some other charging ports. So this one has a Qualcomm charging port, an intelligent charging port, and an input. The new one, which I've just received, has a couple of other bits and pieces. So just a little bit about the industry, about the company there, and it is America's leading USB charging brand. So on top here we've got a not happy little feedback thing, and the welcome guide, which has very little information, but it does tell you about how to check power levels on the battery and things like that. In the bag on top itself, that is where the battery is. I'll pop that to one side and we'll open up the rest of the box. Let's see what we've got in the accessories bit. Anker are normally pretty good at giving you a decent bunch of accessories. So what we've got in here. So this is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Reasonably sturdy looking. And then we have our micro USB to USB Type-A cable, which I'm assuming is for charging the battery. And then we've got something else on the other end. And this is a kind of a spongy case sort of thing for it, which is a nice touch. Probably won't use this very much though. Moving on to the actual battery pack itself, and this is quite heavy, if I'm honest. It's got a bit of heft to it. So there you go. Pop around the end there, and you can see that it's the PowerCore Plus 26800 with USB-C power delivery. And then you've got your USB PD output, and then your intelligent charging port outputs there. So it looks like this second cable here actually is going to be for charging a traditional micro USB style device, and charging will probably have to be done through that USB PD. So what we'll do is, I happen to have a USB power delivery charger here. Let's plug that in. This is actually the power supply from my Dell XPS, and you can see that, yep, there we go, straight away it is charging. So this button kind of turns the battery on. Just to give you a size comparison, this was my previous Anker battery against my new one. Now this one here in the front, this was actually a 20,000 milliamp hour battery. The back one, obviously, that's 26,800. The big difference here though is this USB power delivery. Now what this will allow me to do is it will allow me to charge up my Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 while I'm on the go, which is something that I'm really quite excited about. As you'll know, I do like to travel as light as possible. So the two of these combined will allow me to be a lot more productive while mobile. And all I need is this little cable here. So I'd like to thank the guys from Anker for sending this review unit over, and I will be doing a full review of the device and running it through its paces. And it looks like my trusty 20,000 milliamp hour power supply will be getting resigned to a backup unit, as I now have the ultimate in mobile power, from Anker. Check them out at their website, which I'll put in the link, and also on Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. And the website is just anker.com. Thanks very much, guys, and until the next video, we'll see what we can do with this battery. Cheers. Bye.